Hello guys, hello po sa inyong lahat. My name is Neng. Now I'll show you how to have your Steam account. In Google, you type Steam download. In Steam download, you will see the Welcome to Steam, and then you click Welcome to Steam. In the upper part, there is an Install Steam. You just click this one, Install Steam, and then here you will saw Install Steam now. So you just click this one. Actually, when you click this one, it's starting to download. So after that, I'll show you mine. This is my Steam account. So here you will have, I have my my profile. This is my profile. So my name in Steam is Mrs. Ferox, and actually you can change your picture here. You can edit whatever you want to do in your Steam account. So for me, I have my Minecraft logo. So you can play. Here I have a lot of games here. My favorite game is Left 4 Dead 2. For 4 years, I'm playing Left 4 Dead 2 for 4 years. But you can play whatever games you want to play here. This in store, you will see here the action, adventure, casual, early access, and free to play. You will click free to play when you have already the account, and anytime you can play this game. But for kung sa Pilipinas, mahina talaga yung connection. So I don't know if you can play because you will download this game and you will play, but it's very slow connection. Mahina sa Pilipinas. So this is my Steam account. You can add me anytime you want. I'll wait you. So in Steam, so that's it. So you know already how. For you to ask me how to uh, how to record my screen in the computer on PC, I teach you how. You find this website, Screencast-O-Matic. This one, this website I use mine to video my screen. So here you have the start recording, and after that you will start to record yourself. So that's it. Thank you. Enjoy watching. Good luck. Thank you. Bye bye.